So teman-teman, for our anniversary, I tried to cook a simple Indonesian dish that I hope Nancy loves. It's called, I think it's called nasi telur ikan asin sambal pedas spesial kecap.
I'm crying.
Halo teman-teman, balik lagi di BNay channel. Nah, hari ini aku mau bikin episode spesial. Kenapa gitu? I will tell you. Today, I want to surprise Nancy with something special for our 5 years relationship anniversary. Yay, right teman-teman. So, I will try to cook some very simple Indonesian food that I know Nancy loves a lot. I will also try to find some flowers, maybe something that she likes, but it can be quite difficult because many of the stores are already shut down because of the coronavirus pandemic, and it's probably similar like in Indonesia. I heard that there are also some cases in Indonesia and people are getting sick, so usually I try to stay at home as much as possible, but yeah, today I will try to go to the store, find something for Nancy. And yeah, huge call out to everyone in Indonesia. Stay safe, don't forget to wash your hands, stay at home if you can, don't go out, seriously, even if the schools close or everything closes down. Stay at home, try to spend some time with your family, don't be around too many other people, try to stay healthy. Let's go to the store, see what we can find there. It's so quiet outside, no one is outside, everyone's staying home, just a few cars going by. Something really nice. Alright. Let's put some nice flowers. Some stuff to cook. Let's go back. Sayang? Sayang? Dia masih tidur. Aufstehen. Ich habe eine Überraschung für dich. Ich habe was für dich gekocht.
Was?
Ja,
Warum?
einfach so.
Ach so,
Ja.
das werde ich so.
Essenszeit.
Was soll ich muss ich jetzt aufstehen?
Du musst aufstehen jetzt. Bangun. Okay, ich mache hier schon mal auf. Es ist schon fast Abend.
Oh.
Okay, Bangun, ja?
Ja.
Okay. Sayang? Bist du fertig? Ich warte schon auf dich. Hallo.
Was ist los? Warum sehe ich so viele? Da? Da? Du hast Blumen gekauft.
Ich habe Blumen gekauft.
Du hast gesagt, du hast was gekocht, ne? Ist das? Was ist das?
Ja, setz dich hin.
Was ist das? Was hast du gekocht?
Ja, setz dich hin, du wirst schon sehen.
Also, ich soll hinsetzen. Okay.
Du darfst noch nicht öffnen.
Also, ich habe noch nicht öffnen. Was ist los? Hast du was Blödes gemacht?
Warum?
Ich weiß nicht, es ist unusual.
It's unusual.
It's unusual. What's going on?
What do you think is going on?
Hast du wieder mein Weinglas kaputt gemacht?
Nein.
Nee.
Warum glaubst du so?
Einmal, du hast auch schon mal gemacht. Du machst immer was Schönes, wenn etwas... Wait. Is it something that we celebrate together? Or
So it's something special for us.
something special for us?
You
No,
don't.
it's not our anniversary because
No.
our wedding is in May.
Correct.
But
Something else.
there's something else. Oh my god!
You forgot.
Is it March? Oh!
It is our relationship
I
anniversary
know! Oh my
day.
god, I feel so
You forgot.
bad. I forgot.
You
Dang.
forgot.
Oh my god, shame on me.
You forgot. But it's okay. I forgive you because I bought you some nice flowers.
Oh
I hope
my
you like
god,
them.
so this is for that?
Yes, of
So
course.
beautiful. Thank you, honey. I'm so sorry.
So, are you curious what I cooked for you?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my god, I feel bad, but I'm.
Wait. I'm
Oh.
gonna open this for you.
Okay. All right. What are you cooking?
Okay, perfect.
God, it makes me so curious.
Okay, so take a look on your food.
No?
Your food.
Can I open my eye?
Don't look to me.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Yes.
Open.
Oh, I know the spell.
You know what that is?
Oh my god!
So, teman-teman, for our anniversary, I tried to cook a simple Indonesian dish that I hope Nancy loves. It's called, I think it's called nasi telur ikan asin sambal pedas spesial kecap.
I'm crying.
Oh,
Oh,
Happy anniversary,
do you know?
Sam.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Oh, I love you.
yeah, I love you.
Oh my god, this. You know the first
Because
one?
I know that you told me that this is your favorite food.
I know, and you know what's funny about it?
What?
Before I went to bed, I was thinking like I'm gonna cook it because I'm just so craving of it. And then like you cook it. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
see? I hope you like it. I hope it's
I'm
good.
crying for ikan asin, teman-teman.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Maybe only because it's so hot and spicy.
Oh, that looks so great. Oh.
It doesn't look like much, but I hope it tastes good. So,
Thank
yeah.
you, thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you're welcome.
Oh, can I
Okay.
eat? Can I eat? I'm
Yeah,
so
did you wash your
hungry.
hands already?
I did.
Okay,
Wash
perfect.
my hands.
Then let's go.
So it's my god. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm becoming so emotional. Oh, and you make your own the sambal?
Yeah, I made some sambal.
Wow.
Here is more if you need it more spicy.
Wow, you're amazing. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at try to.
Okay, let's try. And there's also more ketchup. I don't know how much ketchup you should use.
How is this good? It's perfect. Masih panas. Oh wow. Oh my god, teman-teman. Dulu waktu kecil aku suka banget makannya kayak gini, simple banget teman-teman. Ada telur, nasi, ikan asin, terus sambal. Udah gitu doang. Aku udah bahagia
Simple
banget.
banget ya.
Nggak nyangka dia tahu dong, astaga, so sweet.
I think actually I've never tried this food before.
Yeah, I
We
know.
made so many Indonesian dishes, but everything is more complicated that we make.
Yeah.
And this is very simple actually.
It is very simple. I think you just saw me once eating like that.
So I hope you like it.
The sambal is so good. Wow, look at you. I'm so proud of you, honey.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, the sambal is really good. Wow. Jangan dicontoh teman-teman. Biasanya cowok yang lupa ya. Ini aku yang lupa nih hari jadian. That on this date 5 years ago, we decided to be a couple.
Yeah.
And we just celebrated by eating.
Dinner.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're eating kebab. He was like, okay, would you be my girlfriend? I was like, yeah, cool, why not? And then, okay, let's go eating. And then we went for doner kebab because I was craving for kebab. Wow.
See, we started with simple food and now we also
And
have simple
5
food.
years anniversary, we again have a simple food.
Does this mean we didn't make any progress or anything? We still had simple food. And...
No, that means our relationship is simple but happy. Nah, buat teman-teman yang cari pasangan, kalau saran dari aku sih carinya itu pasangan yang sayangnya tulus gitu. Jadi nggak yang cuman kita nggak perlu lah mikirin materi karena materi bisa dicari. Tapi dapat seseorang yang benar-benar sayang sama kita dan terima kita apa adanya, itu susah ya bro ya. And don't give up until you find the right one.
That's good.
If they don't appreciate you, leave them. Just only the one who appreciates you.
If they don't cook your nasi, then go. Alright teman-teman.
Wow, well apparently surprise dari bro bener-bener got me karena aku gak kepikiran banget. I'm so surprised, thank you.
Yeah, glad you like this.
So much.
I
Nah,
love you.